Welcome to the ASVAB exam prep. This is the ASVAB practice test 2. This test consists of 50 questions with explain answers. So let's get started. Question number 51. Which of this is not a unit of length? And the options are A. Meter, B. Millimeter, C. Kilometer, the option D. Cubic centimeter. And the correct answer is option D, cubic centimeter. The cubic centimeter, which is also equivalent to the millimeter, is a measurement of volume rather than of length. Millimeter, meter, and foot are all units of length. Question number 52. Which gas primarily makes up the Earth's atmosphere? And the options are A. Oxygen, B. Argon, C. Nitrogen, or the option D. Carbon dioxide. And the correct answer is option C. Nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere, followed by oxygen at around 21%, argon at 0.93%, and carbon dioxide at 0.039%. Question number 53. How many chromosomes are found in a human sperm cell? And the options are A. 46, B. 23, C. 21, or the option D. 2. And the correct answer is option B. 23. While other human cells have 23 pairs of chromosomes, total of 46, a human sperm cell has only 23 chromosomes. When it joins with an egg cell that also has 23 chromosomes, it creates a diploid human cell that has 46 chromosomes in all. Question number 54. Shale, gypsum rock, coal, and sandstone are examples of which type of rock? And the options are A. Metamorphic, B. Sedimentary, C. Igneous, or the option D. Gneiss. The correct answer is option B. Sedimentary. Sedimentary rock is formed by the gradual depositing or sedimentation of tiny pieces of rock, clay, minerals, and other materials. Given enough time and pressure, these substances fuse together to form a solid mass. Igneous rock is formed from the hardening of lava, and metamorphic rock is formed through changes in temperature or pressure or by chemical means. Gneiss is not a rock classification category. It is a rock that is classified as metamorphic. Question number 55. What structure connects muscle to bone? And the options are A. Joints, B. Cartilage, C. Tendons, or the option D. Ligaments. And the correct answer is option C. Tendons. Tendons connect muscle to bone, while ligaments connect bone to bone. Cartilage is a connective tissue found in places such as joints and the spine. And joints are locations where two bones connect. Question number 56. The rate of electrons through a conductor is measured in units of, and the options are A. Current, B. Amperes, C. Volts, or the option D. Electricity. And the correct answer is option B. Amperes. Amperes is a term for the measured rate of electrons through a conductor. Question number 57. Which of this is an acceptable symbol used for amperes? And the options are A. AMPO, B. AM, C. M, or the option D. A. And the correct answer is option D. A. The letter A is an acceptable symbol used to represent amperes. Question number 58. The two types of electrical current are blank. The options are A. Direct and alternating, B. Direct and changing, C. Simple and complex, or the option D. Backwards and forwards. And the correct answer is option A. Direct and alternating. The flow of electricity in alternating current reverses direction eventually, while direct current always flows in the same direction. Question number 59. 32 cycles per second is equivalent to blank. And the options are A. 32 ohms, B. 32 positions, C. 64 hertz, or the option D. 32 hertz. And the correct answer is option D. 32 hertz. Cycles per second was at one time a common unit to measure frequency, but was eventually replaced by the hertz. So 32 cycles per second is equals to 32 hertz. Question number 60. To measure voltage, one would use blank. And the options are A. A volta, B. A volt gauge, C. A voltmeter, or the option D. An electrical difference machine. And the correct answer is option C. A voltmeter. A voltmeter is an instrument used to measure the voltage across 2 points in an electric circuit. Question number 61. Voltage is also known as, and the options are A. Shock factor, B. Electrical potential, C. Current charge, or the option D. Electronic strength. And the correct answer is option B. Electrical potential. In the early history of the study of electricity, voltage was known as electrical potential or the electrical potential energy. Question number 62. Electrical pressure is also known as blank. And the options are A. Ohms, B. Conductivity, C. Charge, or the option D. Voltage. And the correct answer is option D. voltage. Voltage, expressed in volts, is a measurement of electrical pressure. Current is the rate of the electron flow and is measured in amperes. There is a direct proportional relationship between voltage and current. Question number 63. An ampere is defined as one blank flowing past a point in 1 second. And the options are A. Ohm, B. Volt, C. Coulomb, or the option D. Hertz. And the correct answer is option C. Coulomb. A coulomb is the unit of electrical charge defined as the charge transported by a current of 1 ampere in 1 second. Question number 64. A galvanometer is usually used to measure, and the options are A. Volts, B. Current, C. Resistance, or the option D. Conductance. And the correct answer is option B. Current. A galvanometer is a type of ammeter which is usually used to measure electrical current. Question number 65. Electrical power is expressed in blank. And the options are A. Current, B. Watts, C. Volts, or the option D. Ohms. And the correct answer is option B. Watts. Electrical power is measured in watts, which are a measurement of energy conversion of 1 joule per second. Question number 66. In residential wiring, the internal grounds will be connected to an external ground, also known as, and the options are A. Earth ground, B. Safe ground, C. Extra ground, or the option D. Dirt ground. And the correct answer is option A. Earth ground. The earth acts as the largest ground reference point and is used to dispense electrical charge to prevent shock. Question number 67. A capacitor is also known as, and the options are A. A resistor, B. An alternator, C. A dielectric, or the option D. A condenser. And the correct answer is option D. A condenser. The condenser is another name for a capacitor. Question number 68. A capacitor is used to perform which of these in an electrical circuit? And the options are A. Prevent shock, B. Reduce current, C. Store an electrical charge, or the option D. Increase voltage. And the correct answer is option C. Store an electrical charge. A capacitor in the most basic form is two electrical conductors separated by an insulator. When a charge passes through the conductors, the positive charge is stored in one conductor and the negative in another. This causes the charge to be temporarily stored electrostatically. Question number 69. The farad is the unit of measurement of blank. And the options are A. Ohms, B. Capacitance. C. Voltage. Or the option D. Resonance. And the correct answer is option B. Capacitance. Capacitance is the ability for something to store an electrical charge, and it is measured in farads. Question number 70. Inductance is measured in blank. And the options are A. Ohms, B. Francs, C. Henries, or the option D. Joules. And the correct answer is option C. Henries. The Henry is the name of the unit used to measure inductance. Question number 71. A typical car engine has how many strokes per cycle? And the options are A. 1, B. 8, C. 6, or the option D. 4. And the correct answer is option D. 4. A typical engine has 4 strokes per cycle. Intake, compression, power, exhaust, which use the pressure created from fuel combustion to run. Question number 72. What does EFI stands for in EFI computer? And the options are A. Express fuel injection, B. Engineered focal injection, C. Electronic fuel insertion, or the option D. Electronic fuel injection. And the correct answer is option D. Electronic fuel injection. The EFI computer controls the amount of fuel being injected into the engine electronically. Question number 73. The function of the tachometer is to blank. And the options are A. Denote car mileage, B. Measure speed of wheels, C. Measure revolutions per minute, or the option D. Check engine heat levels. And the correct answer is option C. Measure revolutions per minute. The tachometer measures RPM on the dashboard. Question number 74. Which of this is not a stroke? And the options are A. Power, B. Combustion, C. Intake, or the option D. Compression. And the correct answer is option B. Combustion. The 4 strokes in a cycle are intake, compression, power, and exhaust. Note, in some of the older study materials, the power stage is referred to as the combustion stage, but this is no longer used in ASVAB content. The term power has replaced combustion in this cycle description. Be sure to consult the most current study materials when preparing for this test. Question number 75. The 2 types of brakes are, and the options are A. Drum and disc, B. First and second, C. Front and rear, or the option D. Major and minor. And the correct answer is option A. Drum and disc. Drums brakes usually are for the rear wheels and disc brakes for the front. Question number 76. The blank is the emission control system that forces unburned or partially burned fuel back into the cylinder to be burned. And the options are A. Alternator, B. Electronic fuel injector, C. Fuel pump, or the option D. Exhaust gas recirculation. And the correct answer is option D. Exhaust gas recirculation. Unburned or partially unburned fuel can result from the combustion process and can be harmful to the atmosphere. The EGR forces exhaust gas back into the engine to be burned. Question number 77. The primary purpose of emission control systems is to, and the options are A. Inject fuel, B. Reuse exhaust, C. Reduce emissions, or the option D. Reduce fuel consumption. And the correct answer is option C. Reduce emissions. The purpose of an emission control system is to reduce emissions. Question number 78. The fastening tool used to turn nuts and bolts is called a blank. And the options are A. Hammer, B. Mallet, C. Wrench, or the option D. Stapler. And the correct answer is option C. Wrench. Wrenches have a jaw where nuts and bolts can fit to be turned or held in place. Question number 79. The usual shape of the tip of a Phillips screwdriver is blank. The options are A. T-shaped, B. Heart-shaped, C. Cross-shaped, or the option D. Round-shaped. And the correct answer is option C. Cross-shaped. It fits a cross-shaped Phillips screw. Question number 80. Which of this is not a cutting tool? And the options are A. Hacksaw, B. Allen wrench, C. Shears, or the option D. Circle snips. And the correct answer is option B. Allen wrench. It is a type of screwdriver. Question number 81. Which of these images best solves the problem in the first picture? And the options are A, B, C, and D. And the correct answer is option D. Rotate both images almost 180 degrees. Question number 81. Which of these images best solves the problem in the first picture? And the options are A, B, C, or D. And the correct answer is option D. Keep both objects as is, but put the bike tire above the corner frame. Question number 83. Which of these images best solves the problem in the first picture? And the options are A, B, C, or the option D. And the correct answer is option A, Move the cylinder up and the North Star down. Question number 84. Which of these images best solves the problem in the first picture? And the options are A, B, C, or the option D. And the correct answer is option A. Rotate the square object almost 90 degrees and then rotate the arrow sign 135 degrees and move it up. Question number 85. Which of these images best solves the problem in the first picture? And the options are A, B, C, or the option D. And the correct answer is option C. Rotate the scroll 45 degrees. Question number 86. Which of these images best solves the problem in the first picture? And the options are A, B, C, or the option D. And the correct answer is option A. Rotate the portion flex just over 90 degrees and then rotate the rubber ducky 90 degrees. Question number 87. Which of these images best solves the problem in the first picture? And the options are A, B, C, or D. And the correct answer is option B. There are 6 pieces in the assembled puzzle. Question number 88. Which of these images best solves the problem in the first picture? And the options are A, B, C, or the option D. And the correct answer is option C. There are 6 pieces in the assembled puzzle. Question number 89. Which of these images best solves the problem in the first picture? And the options are A, B, C, or D. And the correct answer is option B. There are 6 pieces in the assembled puzzle, one of which is a triangle. Question number 90. Which of these images best solves the problem in the first picture? And the options are A, B, C, or the option D. And the correct answer is option B. There are 6 pieces in the assembled puzzle, none of which is a triangle. Question number 91. How much greater is the value of 3x plus 5 than the value of 3x minus 7? And the options are A, 8, B, 10, C, 12, or the option D, 14. And the correct answer is option C, 12. The easiest way to do this is to pick a number for x. Let's say x is equals to 3.3 into 3 plus 5 is equals to 9 plus 5 is equals to 14. 3 into 3 minus 7 is equals to 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. The correct answer is 14 minus 2 is equals to 12. Question number 92. Which of the following is not a factor of 90? And the options are A. 15, B. 12, C. 5, or the option D. 6. And the correct answer is option B. 12. A factor must divide evenly into its multiple. 12 cannot be a factor of 90 because 90 divided by 12 is equals to 7.5. Question number 93. The sum of 7 numbers is greater than 140 and less than 210. Which of the following could be the average arithmetic mean of the numbers? And the options are A. 20, B. 26, C. 30, or the option D. 34. And the correct answer is option A. 20. The formula for the average of a set of numbers is the sum of the numbers divided by the number of terms. Average is equals to 140 divided by 7. Average is equals to 20. Average is equals to 210 divided by 7. Average is equals to 30. Therefore, the sum must be between 20 and 30. Question number 94. The RN of a watch rotates 30 degrees every hour. How many complete rotations does the RN make in 6 days? And the options are A. 8, B. 10, C. 12, or the option D. 14. And the correct answer is option C. 12. There are 360 degrees in a complete cycle. So 360 divided by 30 is equals to 12 hours to make one full circle. In 6 days, there are 24 hours into 6 is equals to 144 hours total. The total number of rotations will be 144 divided by 12 is equals to 12. Question number 95. Which of the following expressions is equal to 3 by 8 when p is equals to 3 by 5? And the options are A. 6p, B. 9p, C. 16p, or the option D. 27p. And the correct answer is option D. 27p. 3 by 8 is equals to 3 into 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 3, or 3 by 5 into 3 by 3 is equals to p into 3 by 3. P into 3 by 3 is equals to 27p. Question number 96. With what number must 3.475817 be multiplied in order to obtain the number of 34,758.17? And the options are A. 100, B. 1000, C. 10,000, or the option D. 100,000. And the correct answer is option C. 10,000. The decimal must be moved 4 places to the right. To do this, we must multiply by a number with 4 zeros. The correct answer is 10,000. Question number 97. If a store adds 50 chairs to its current inventory, the total number of chairs will be the same as 3 halves the current inventory of chairs. If the manager wants to increase the current inventory by 40%, what will the new inventory of chairs be? And the options are A 40, B 60, C 100, or the option D 140. And the correct answer is option D 140. This word problem requires careful translation. Let's say T is equals to total current inventory of chairs. The first sentence states that 50 plus T is equals to 3 by 2 into T. First solve for the current inventory, which is 50 plus T is equals to 3 divided by 2T. 50 is equals to 3 divided by 2T minus T50 is equals to 1 divided by 2 into T100 is equals to T. The manager wants to increase this by 40%. 40% of 100 is 40. So the new inventory will be 140. Question number 98. Each year, a cyber cafe charges its customer a base rate of $25 with an additional 0.30 cents per visit for the first 50 visits and 0.10 cents for every visit after that. How much does the cyber cafe charge a customer for a year in which 72 visits are made? And the options are A $36.60, B $42.20, C $47.80, or the option D $51.10. And the correct answer is option B $42.20. Translate the information into arithmetic. The cafe charges $25 plus 30 cents first 50 plus 10 cents additional after 50. For 72 visits, there are 50 visits with an additional 22 visits. $25 plus 30 cents into 50 plus 10 cents into 22 is equals to $25 plus $15 plus $2.20, which equals to $42.20. Question number 79. Steve bought a total of 6 packages of pens, and each package contained either 3 or 7 pens. If exactly 4 of the packages Steve bought contain 7 pens, how many pens did Steve buy? The options are A 17, B 21, C 34, or the option D 42. And the correct answer is option C 34. If Steve bought 4 packages of 7 pens and 6 packages total, then he must have purchased 2 packages of 3 pens, which is 4 into 7 plus 2 into 3 is equals to 28 plus 6, which equals to 34. Question number 100. Which of the following is equivalent to 2 times the total of x plus y? And the options are A 2xy, B 2x divided by 2y, C 2x into 2y, or the option D 2x plus 2y. And the correct answer is option D 2x plus 2y. 2 times the total of x plus y is 2 into x plus y. From there, use the distributive property to multiply the 2 by each term inside the parenthesis. 2 into x plus y is equals to 2x plus 2y. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends.